Okay, good morning. Today we're going to make some air fresheners for my children's bedrooms. All you need is some baking soda, some jars, and whichever essential oil you're going to use. My kit, we're using different ones for each room. And it really doesn't matter the size of the jar you're using or what it looks like. And the bonus is this is safe to keep in little kids' rooms because there's no sticks or anything like that that they can decide to try and kill each other with. You want to fill it about a third of the way full. I'm just using these cute little, I can't remember what size these are, jars. Yeah, my baking soda's sticking. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now, Jonathan wants morning sunshine in his. Just going to give it a shake. I'm going to start with 5 drops in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was 6, but I'm going to start with that many and then go up from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nathan wants lemon and Katie wants peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then get your lid on it. Just give it a good shake. Get it all mixed together. And the bonus of this is, once it's done, you can either give it a shake to refreshen it, or you can add more smell to it, or you can take it and sprinkle it over your carpets, let it do its thing, and then vacuum it up. Okay, next one. Oh, yeah, that's nice, just like that. Not too strong, just settle. Okay. Now, you can put a lid, put a lid on it and put holes in it. I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave them open like this. Oh, that's perfect. And then this one. Oh, that one didn't. That one kind of stuck because I started with this one. Let's give it a little more of a shaky shake. Shaky shake. Perfect. Okay, so there we go. I have 3 perfect air fresheners that the smell will go out into the room, and the baking soda will help eliminate any smells that are in there too. So this is kind of like one of them dual purpose air fresheners that really don't cost you very much and is super easy to use, safe in children's rooms as well. And you can put this anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again really soon. Bye.